Lesson 1. Hello, microbit. In this lesson we can learn the LED array for the microbit. Open our tutorials, http://osio.com/p=20181, learn the basic introduction about microbit. On now, we learn the first lesson. Hello, microbit. The tutorial introduced the basic module of MakeCode. From this you can know how to operate LED array. Throughout the tutorial, we use MakeCode to perform experiments. Click the microbit, Let's Code. Created the new project. The first step. Click on the Basics category. These blocks are the basic building blocks of a BuildCode program. It will expand into a number of options. The second step. Click and drag the Show LEDs block 5. So we made a LED array of smiling faces. It's like microbit greeting us. We give it a name on here. Hello, microbit. Third steps. The Show LEDs block has an array of squares that symbolize the LED array. If you click on a square, it will turn red, which means that it is on. Draw a simple pixel art shape by turning different LEDs on or off. The fourth step. In your simulator you will see the images switching really fast. So we need to slow this down. We need use the pause block, which is under the basic block set. The pause block says the microbit to pause and wait for a certain amount of time. On this operation, we paused 100 ms. Fifth steps. So we made a LED array of smiling faces. It's like microbit greeting us. We give it a name on here. Hello, microbit. Sixth steps. Download this example by clicking the download button in the upper right hand corner of the code window. Seventh steps. Choose the download location to your microbit drive, which shows up as an external device. After download the program to microbit, your microbit will flash for a few seconds, and then your program will start automatically.